Hey, stop that. Hey! Stupid cat. What's up, dudes? So today, I'm going to be installing the zero water filter shower head. It's pretty heavy duty. It's not as heavy as the actual filter, but it does come with little gaskets. Let's take this bad boy out. If you hear wheezing, it's my cat. Okay, so it comes with two gaskets. One's right here. Probably goes something like that. And then the other one probably goes inside like that. But I'll probably have to check first. And then it comes with, I don't know what this is, but I guess I'll find out. Remove your existing shower head. Alright, that should be easy enough. I have a really basic shower head, if you guys are wondering. I need to clean this actually. I'll probably dip this in something. I sprayed that down with some shower cleaner so I can clean off the head. It says, place Teflon tape on the threads, preferably 3 times around. With gaskets on the threads. Okay, Teflon tape 3 times around. Okay, so this is the Teflon tape. Okay, so this is the end that goes directly into there. I'm assuming you just boom, boom. Now there's a gasket in there. It's great. Hey, get out of there! All right, let's see, Teflon tape. Oh, this stuff, that makes sense. I'm gonna do the inside one too, just because. I probably should have got scissors. Get this bad boy in my lap. Okay. I'm assuming it's not so bad on this one, but Oh, you know what? There's an easier way to do this. All of you dads out there cringing. What up? What's up, cat? Ugh. Move, cat. Oh, this one already has tape around it, so I'll just do this spot. Alright, cool. I guess I should have scraped the existing tape off, but that's okay. So there's a gasket in there. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. There we go. Alright. That's on there nice and tight, like tight. Now I take my freshly cleaned shower head and I'm assuming I attach it to that, but not before putting this on.
You know we have a different shower head in the laundry area.
Do you want to use it? I've just been informed by my wonderful SO. We've had this bad boy sitting in our pantry for a while. Got the whole shebang. So I guess this is what I'm doing today, figuring this out. So I'm assuming I'm gonna have to Teflon tape all this. So this can go to that. Yep, that makes sense. This can go to that. Perfect, perfect. This one has a gasket, this one does not. But thankfully, that I can install a gasket on. So what I'll do is I'll take this gasket, I'll put it on the side that didn't have a gasket. Since this one does, I'll attach it to the shower head. And I have Teflon tape now to do all of it. It also came with this is like a little, oh, it's how it hangs up. I see. So this should go on there and then that will attach. Okay, and there's 2 gaskets in here, so I guess that's what we're doing. Okay, I'm gonna construct all this stuff here and then apply it to the shower head. So new shower head going to attach to this bad boy. Oh, these got little nettings as well. That's interesting. I'm not sure what this stuff does, but I'm pretty sure if you have 2 metal parts, it will stop the metal. It either creates a seal or it helps the metal not rust to each other. I'm assuming it does one of those 2 things. I'm going to apply this to this then. You know, I just cut this too wide, but that's okay. And now we'll apply it. Like so. Okay, and we'll apply it to this end. Oh, alright, all I did was shred it, so I'm just gonna go away with it. Alright, very nice. And then this side probably goes to this. Oh, you know what I just realized? I should probably put a gasket on the other one. Alright, do this. Oh, the gasket fell out somewhere. I'm gonna put it in this one. There we go. Sweet, okay. So this part's on, and now I need to attach this to there. Okay, now I'm gonna put this on there after I teffy. This would have been easier if I would have just used the zero water filter to screw it on, but this works out. There we go. Perfect. Heck yeah, dude. Where did this gasket come from? What? Little gasket going right in there. Boop. Okay. Easy peasy. All right. Holy moly, look at that. Look at that, chat. Oh, isn't it beautiful? I'm gonna make sure this is on all the way. I'll be able to take this off and I wash my butthole. I got a bunch of firing modes too. Boom, boom, okay. Ooh, lots of clicky. Ooh. I have a spare gasket. I'm really annoyed. I don't know where this one was supposed to go. I think it was supposed to go here, but I had a gasket for it. So I think this is a spare. I think I just realized there is a missing gasket between either here or here. Hopefully it will be fine. But if it leaks, I'll know how to replace it. All right, so time to test it. If you guys didn't know, the original point of the video was because there's a zero water filter set up between the actual nozzle where it comes out of the wall. This big ass thing right here, which I bought 2 of, by the way. So this big honker is going to reduce particulates in the water and all that stuff. So I got a bowl. We never use these damn things. So let's first run it. Oh, ew. A lot of black stuff came out. And now it's running so well. Oh, washing my shower is gonna be so much easier. All right, so it's got some firing modes. Let's test them. So it's got the spray with the big piss in the middle. And then you got spray my beehole bidet mode, which always drips for some reason. Go back to normal. Normal is just really nice. And then they've got really weak stream with spatters. And then they probably just have a spatter mode. Yeah, this is like a fire everything mode. I don't know what the hell this is. There's a lot of water going through. I'm assuming they go bad quickly. This is a lot of water coming through really fast on one small baby filter. So I'm wondering how quickly it will actually die, because I'm assuming pretty fast. All right, so I filled up this bowl over here. We have the tester. I hold it, put it in the water, boop. What does that say? It says that it's not on, doesn't it? Ooh. You know, I never got a reading of what it was before, so that's kind of stupid of me. So according to this, it's about 130. Yeah, 130. Okay, well, that sucks. That's coming out of the shower head. Let's try out of the bottom part. Maybe, you know what? Maybe I have to run a little bit. Maybe that was what's in the line. Actually, I did run it for a while, though, so I feel like that was fair. All right, I'm gonna dump it. I even let it run for a little bit to give it a chance. 121, 120, 125. Something tells me what happened is shower head has something through the lines. I don't know though, I ran it enough. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's all I can assume. We'll do this test again, I guess, because according to the zero water filter, it didn't do anything. But I'll tell you what I can do. I'm gonna shower in that thing, and it's gonna be nice. When you see me again, I'm gonna be washed. There it is. It works. I feel amazing. I look amazing, and that shower head's amazing. Actually, I switched it to that like harder spray mode to spray out my belly button, right? And it tickled so bad that I couldn't help but burst out with laughter while I was in there. And I was like, and then it tickles so bad that it's ridiculous. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and like the video down below. All the description to my other socials will also be in the description. So check those out too. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thanks so much for watching. I would highly recommend zero water. Not the nozzle though for the shower yet. I can't get results out of it. I'll test it again, and if there's an update, then I'll let you know. But till next time, guys, later.